Okay. Success. So you sold my property to scrap buyers? Eh?
Yes.
Ah. Oh. Okay. Where's the money?
Okay, the money. This is the money.
Success? You mean you sold my entire property for just 7,200? You know what? You replace those properties, you buy them back!
Okay, now give me the money, let me go and buy it back.
Success! Don't you know those furnitures are more than 1 million naira?
Tell her.
They cheated you.
Sorry. Sorry.
Eh? Sorry where? Your sorry is unaccepted. You're going to stay here and work out that money.
But how?
But how? Now let me tell you how. Henceforth, you work here as a housekeeper until you're able to work out the worth of my property that you sold.
But sir, it's not my uncle that was coming here today.
Oh, he's not your uncle. Don't worry. I'll be the one to call your uncle and tell him that you now work here. Rubbish.
Manuela, this Oga has some temper.
Jesus Christ! Success! Hey, this is wickedness. So. Yes, so pure wickedness, pure one. Hey. So, but how do you plan on recovering your property? Okay, Brown, I've already decided. Okay, henceforth, this girl here, Success, she'll be working in this house until she's able to work out the money I will use to replace those properties. Yes. But how much is even this money? I have made a rough estimate. You know, things are very expensive in the market now. Those properties are worth over 1 million naira. Over 1 million naira. Okay, Brown, there's no but. There's no but. She's going to stay here and work out that money, except you want to give me the money back. You don't know me?
Wait, so how long is she supposed to work to be able to pay back all the for all the properties that she sold?
Let's just say 3 years. 3 years? Yes, 3 years. 3 years. Only 3 years.
Add 1 more year to it to make it 4 years. Success. See in the next 4 years.
No, uncle.
Don't worry. I'll be coming to check on you subsequently. Keep on.
We must learn a lesson.
Yes, you work here for 3 years. Ella, show her what to do and get to work immediately. Rubbish.
Manuela, this is serious.
Come to the kitchen. Child! From now, you'll be washing our clothes, including Oga's clothes. You'll be washing Oga's toilet and our toilet. You'll be arranging our room with Oga's room. You see that parlor? You'll be the one cleaning it. You will cook, you will wash plates, and you'll be running errands for Oga.
So what will you be doing?
I'll be supervising you.
Supervising?
Yes, I'm your supervisor. Now clean up the kitchen.
Hey, Manuela, please come. This work is stressful.
See this one? You that just started today, I have started complaining. You have not seen anything. You still have 4 more years to complete.
It's a lie, it's not 4 years. It's 3 years. Oga said it's 3 years.
See this one? You know when your uncle added 1 more year to the 3 years.
Manuela, I don't think I can do this soon. I have to look for a way to pay Oga his money.
That one is your business. Success! Where are you taking this pot to?
I want to go and sell it to scrap buyers.
Jesus! Success! You want to go and sell this spot to scrap buyers?
Yes.
Why?
So that I'll gather money and start paying your Oga.
Even if you sell this spot, you will add more debt on your head. And it will be more than 1 million. It's like you want to work here for 10 years, Abi.
We must learn a lesson.
So what am I going to do?
Do anything you want to do, but don't sell Oga's property.
Success, come here. Okay, I and Ella, we are going out to get something and we might wait a little time out, okay? I want you to take care of the house and don't touch anything. I have security cameras all over the house watching you. That means I'm watching you on my phone. So you better not touch anything in this house. Okay? Good. Let's go. I hope she's doing her job.
She's trying.
Okay.
Oh, what kind of job is this one? So we're mopping this parlor 3 times a day because of black suit. If I use my strength and work finish in this house, which strength will I use and work when I grow up? I need to look for a way to pay Oga his money. Very good. I know what to do. How can I work for 4 years for somebody without salary? A whole anti-success.
Ella, later you get those things in the boot. Okay? Ella. The sauce is buying a chair. Young man, who are you?
Who are you?
I said, who are you? This is my house. Who are you?
I live here.
How?
What is how? I live here.
Success! Success!
Oh, Oga, you are back. Welcome.
Who is this?
Oh, this one. He's our new flatmate.
Flatmate. How?
Oga, see, he'll be living here and that room upstairs. You still have your own room, but we're sharing the kitchen.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I rented the house to him.
You rented my house?
So that I'll start paying you small.
And landlady, you did not tell me we have flatmates.
Landlady?
Officers, thank God you are here. Thank God you are here. That is the idiot. Arrest him. Arrest him. That is the idiot.
Calm down. Tell us what happened.
Officer.
Yes.
I needed domestic servants.
Okay.
And I needed cooks. So I had to embark on employment.
Okay.
I interviewed the first person. You say you can cook?
Yes, sir. I can cook very, very well.
You can cook very well.
Yes, very well.
It's not all about cooking very well. It's all about loyalty. Are you a loyal person?
Very, very loyal, sir.
You're very loyal?
Yes.
Okay, now, if I ask you to kill my daughter for me,
Not be juju be that.
to poison my daughter, will you do that? Just take this poison the food, and kill my daughter for me.
No, sir, I can't. How will you ask me to poison your daughter?
And that means you don't need this job. You can go. Get out. I say get out. Get out! Get out!
Wait. Sir,
Yes.
why would you want to poison your own daughter?
Officer, that is not even the problem.
Okay, what's the problem?
I interviewed the second person. It's not all about cooking. It's all about loyalty. Are you a loyal person?
Yes, I'm very loyal, sir.
Very loyal.
Yes, sir.
Can you keep secrets?
I can keep secret very well, sir.
Are you very sure?
I'm good at keeping secrets, sir.
All right. Now, can you poison my daughter? Yes. If I ask you to poison my daughter, will you?
Okay. If that's what you want, sir, I'll poison her.
Sure. delicious meal. Okay? And poison it. Did you hear me? Poison it. That's good.
No!
Don't eat it. Your father asked me to poison the food. Jesus! But my conscience will not allow me to let you eat it. Please don't eat it.
You a fool. So my father asked you to poison me and you're spilling it out. Do you know that this is a test?
You think say they wise?
In fact, you cannot keep secret. You cannot be loyal to this family. We can't employ you. You don't have a future here.
Yes. You're a nincompoop. It was just a test. It was a fake poison. It's not real. Chai! Just some things I just put in this thing just to test your loyalty. And able to keep secret of this family. And you just peel out the whole thing. Get out.
Please leave this house.
Get out.
Okay, but this story has nothing to do with this young man you asked us to arrest. What does it have to do with him?
You see, the next day, I interviewed this idiot. You said you can cook very well. Are you really very sure? Okay. Being a good cook goes with absolute loyalty. Are you a loyal person?
Yes, sir.
Then, can you keep secret? Okay. Now, can you poison my daughter to death? Jesus! Can you do that? Can you? I'm asking you again. Can you? Because this is the criteria for your employment. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
You can.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, take this poison, put it in her food. That particular portion she will be taking. By the time she eats it half, she'll be dead. And whatever I tell people is the cause of her death stands. Can you keep it as a secret?
Yes.
Good. In that case, you've got the job.
Sir, wait. What in this story warrants his arrest? He hasn't done anything wrong.
When he brought the food,
A few moments later.
it's very good. It's good. It's very tasty.
Dad. I like this one. Food is so nice though.
Okay.
And we are employing him.
That's good.
He's very loyal. He didn't say anything.
That's good. That's good. Whatever you say is what I will do.
Our new chef! I want more. I want more.
Jollof rice are finished. What is remaining now is fried rice.
Oh, that's nice. Get me some.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I've heard your story, but there is nothing in it to warrant this man's arrest.
Officer, as we are talking here now, my daughter is battling for her life in the hospital.
How?
After he brought the second food. Are you alright? Are you alright? Chef, bring water, bring water, bring water. Bring water, don't bring water. My daughter is choking. Sorry. Bring water! Bring water! She's choking!
Wait. Everybody just hold on a minute. I thought you said it was a fake poison.
Officer, it was a fake poison.
It
was a fake poison I gave to this idiot to test his loyalty. Just to test his loyalty.
You think say they wise?
Come, young man, what happened?
No, it's that time that he give me poison. Let me use it and poison in Peking.
Continue.
Then the person did not work. And I said, no, I don't want to lose my job. Oh. Let my job now. Let my organ not say that I did not kill him Peking for him. Oh. And I go inside kitchen and I look. And I say rat poison. And I say, okay, so this rat poison can kill in Peking. And I carry the rat poison and I put it in Peking food. Jesus! Fast.
He shot you!
Young man, you're under arrest.
So I put the poison well, like kill her. She will die. Don't worry, she will die. I don't want to lose my job, please. She will die. That poison that I put in food now, that hospital that I have carried and go, she will not survive, she will die. Sir, please, I don't want to lose my job. Sir, please, promise I'll kill your daughter for you. If she don't die in that hospital now, me, I'll go myself, I'll go and carry the knife and choke her. She will die. Please, sir, please, don't sack me now, please.
He shot you!
Please, I'll kill her for you, yeah? I'll make you cry. If you have another daughter, I will kill him.
This man, you're a lunatic. You're a lunatic.
Thank you. How did you know? I think I tell you, see, that one, I did not study it in school, or it's just working for me. Lunatic is something, it's just working for me. It's something that is doing me natural.
It's working for you. Shoot this man in his leg.
I have been through a lot just to get your love, girl. But I still no. I can be your best boyfriend if you let me in, girl. Let me in, girl. But hey, all of the guys they be loving on you. All of the boys they be loving on you. But now me girl you go still choose up. But now me girl you go still choose up. Yeah, all of the guys they be loving on you. All of the boys they be loving on you. But now me girl you go still choose up. But now me girl you go still choose up. No. The way you put me, baby girl, put me in the lockdown. Yeah, you put me in the lockdown. The way you put me, baby girl, put me in the lockdown. Yeah, you put me in you hear I'm loud now. Hey. All of the guys, they be loving on you. All of the boys, they be loving on you. But now me girl, you go still choose oh. But now me girl, you go still choose oh. Yeah. All of the guys, they be loving on you. All of the boys, they be loving on you. But now me girl, you go still choose oh. But now me girl, you go still choose oh. No. The way you put me, baby girl, put me in the lockdown. Girl, you put me in the lockdown. The way you put me, baby girl, put me in the lockdown. Girl, you put me in the lockdown.
Creative mix.
Nobody day when I stand alone, yeah, go down low before you blow. Baby, your love they kill me slow. Nobody rhymes, they feel my flows. Nobody day when I stand alone, we go get now.